Alright, we got the gold gun G17 Zaffiri Precision, the ported barrel, flared mag well, the 31 round clip. We only got about 12 rounds loaded up though because I just shot in slow motion, didn't realize I was shooting in slow motion. So there goes a few of these. Damn shells kept flying at me. No failure to eject, no failure to feed. Nice and dirty. Next, got the G19 Agent 19 from 80p Builder with my silver flat fluted flush crown blah 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 barrel. 15 round clip. Magazine, not clip, god damn it. We'll see how this does. This is my newer build. Fucking camera fell. Hold on. Alright, try this again. No failure to feeds, no failure to eject. Keep in mind though, I did put about 100 rounds before these and they had a few of each. Failure to eject, failure to feeds. That was beautiful though. Now, my baby. I do have the silver extension on this one, even though I'm not keeping it on this one. All black, except for the side release, which I rubbed down to silver again. We got, I believe, 20 rounds in here. Added to the 15 rounds from the Glock magazine. Threaded barrel. Took the thread protector off because I didn't want it coming off. Here goes with this. No failure to feeds, no failure to ejects. And I was just trying out a little trigger discipline there, and holy shit, does it make a difference. You place your finger like this, wrap it all the way around like everybody does normally. Put it on that first knuckle, pulls to the right. Too far on your tip, pulls left. Put it right in the center of your fingerprint there. Pull it. It feels ridiculous, but holy shit, aimed right on the target. Alright, that's it for this one.